How would you like to be able to learn anything using AI? Now, I know what you're thinking, Eric. I know how to learn anything with AI. I go to ChatGPT and ask a question, right? Yeah, and you get a canned answer. That really doesn't teach you anything. I've actually been doing a lot of research. I found a whole bunch of brand new AI systems that actually are designed to teach you anything using AI systems. You can actually ask it specific questions, and it's going to create a learning plan. And the best part is you can actually export these learning plans. I have a bunch of different systems I'm going to show you that actually work together to really create everything that you could possibly need. It means you can create your own courses using AI, and it's better than just the usual ebook stuff. Certainly better than what you're going to get out of ChatGPT, which is just going to be canned responses. If you think that sounds interesting, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my bonus for Kids Story Mega Pack. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for the Kids Story Mega Pack. This is from Fire Launchers. They are very well known for creating some very high quality stories. Now, this is a pretty big pack, including 50 done for you stories that you can go ahead and sell with full PLR rights. And yes, you can sell them on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Obviously, you will have to come up with your own name for it. And you also will not be able to put this public. You can only sell it private on Warrior Plus at least, because Warrior Plus doesn't allow you to sell pure PLR. But if you were to pair it with something else, you could sell it even publicly and have a launch, traditional launch or whatever. And using my bonus, of course, you can do that. So this is everything you're going to be getting here. Now, I want you to see the price of this thing, because this is really, really an incredible bargain. First of all, there is a code KD2, KDS2 off. So you're going to use that code to get $2 off. But check out the pricing on this thing. Okay, it's all the way at the bottom, of course. Where is it? Here we go. $15.95. That's it. Okay, and you get all of the packages put together. Obviously, well, $15.95 minus $2.95, that's really $13.95. You just have to use the KDS2 off in order to be able to get that pricing of $13.95. Okay, now I want to show you my bonuses, because as always, I do have the best bonuses in the industry, because I take good care of my friend, and you are my friend. As well, of course, if I wasn't, I wouldn't be the man in the hat. Yes, yes, yes. You're the man in the hat too. Very, very nice. But right now we're talking about me, okay? Go back to your island or whatever. But seriously, check this out. So I have 5 different things I want to show you. So first of all, this one, basically what you can do is you can put in whatever you want to put in as far as what you want to learn. Let's give me some examples over here. Obviously, historical events, interpersonal skills. You're gonna be able to put in your topic here. So let me try put in, I don't know, backyard chickens. But I have backyard chickens now. I really like my chickens. They're producing a ton of eggs for us. Let's see what it's going to come up with. So basically, what it's going to do is going to ask you for what your learning goal is, and if you have another way, just tell it. But we can simply pick one. So let's pick B, just for example. And I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time doing this. I'm going to show you in my bonus more details about how this thing works. But let's go ahead and pick B, just so you can see what it's doing. And it's actually going to create an outline for you of learning progress, and it's actually going to create a whole done-for-you course. You can actually go ahead and use this. You can obviously download this. You can save this image in order to be able to sell it. This alone is very, very valuable. And of course, it's going to have more details. I'm going to show you more about that in my custom bonus. But let's go on to the next one. So over here, I've actually gone ahead and put something in already. I put in how can I have a website or will I be monetized, generate income online. And you can see here it's actually giving me a whole bunch of ideas here, and it's giving me the key topics that are explored. You can dive deeper, or you can move on, and you can also go through different things. It creates an entire course, again, slightly different from what we saw in the other version. And over here, what I did was I actually went ahead and I gave it, I'm trying to get back to the beginning of it so I can show you. Here we go. So you have to obviously log in, but basically what you would actually do is you actually tell it what it is that you want to learn about. And okay, it's not going to let me do that. So let's just skip this. And it's actually going to create a detailed method for you with a plan of how to learn. Now, of course, we're still not done yet because after all, just 2 bonuses would probably be pretty crappy, right?
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, I don't really care if you like crap or not. These people don't like crap. I don't like crap. And frankly, I don't think you like crap either. I think that is a lie. And sir, I call you out on your lie. Anyway, okay, but seriously. So here's another one that I found for you. So this also creates a learning plan. Again, each one is going to be slightly different. I'm going to show you how each of these works in my custom bonus. So you click create a new learning plan, and you can, of course, create with AI. And then you're going to actually give it all the details of what you want to be able to learn with this thing. Again, I'll show you how this all works in my custom bonus. Another one that I found, this actually will create flashcards for you about AI. So you can actually put in some questions. The AI will generate answers to complete the flashcards for you. You can actually use flashcards to go ahead and create your system. Now, the last thing I want to show you, actually, second to last thing, I got one more bonus. You know, as an entrepreneur, I should probably go ahead and trademark that idea.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes. Thank you, Liz. That's very kind of you to say. Anyway, okay, but seriously, check this out. So this is a little bit different. So this is called, this is a dream team system where you can actually go ahead and create your own dream team and advisors. You can actually give it names. You can give it professions. You can say if you want male or female, if you want it to be elaborate or concise, the style of voice. And what you can do is you can actually have conversations with your team to ask your team questions to help you to build something better. Again, all this is going to be covered in my custom bonus. These are all brand new stuff that I've never given away before. And the final thing I want to show you is this thing. Nothing to do with being able to learn, but I thought this was really cool. This is an AI joke generator. And of course, I'm going to give this to you as well. Show you how this thing works as well. So you can go ahead and just, click create a joke. And, you'll be able to actually ask it about specific topics, and it's going to create the jokes for you. Again, I'll go through more detail about this in my custom bonus. But let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick here. You can see here, you get everything to download, the stories, the ebooks, the covers, okay? Plus, you also get all the sales materials because everything that these guys do does come with full PLR rights. So you're going to get 50 video stories, 50 ebooks that you can go ahead and sell. But it almost doesn't matter because you have so many bonuses, and you can use my bonuses, by the way, to actually sell more of this stuff as well. So you can actually use my bonuses to create additional content, or you can sell my bonuses as your own bonus and use it that way as well. Okay, let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, okay, this is awesome. All right, for $13.95, remember to use that coupon code. I will have it in my website. This is a really great deal. Grab this, you're going to love it.